Okay, for this one, I can say 15 is gonna be a tough one. You do 16 on your own. Let's do that. 15 is tough. You do 16. Okay. For number 15, I've got 12 carbons. Let's make that 12 carbons. I've got 22 hydrogens on the left. I've got 2 hydrogens over there. Let's make it 22 also. I've got, this is a big number, 11 and 2. So 13 oxygens on the left. I've got, let's see this number. I got 24 here, 2 times 12, 24 oxygens here, and 11 times 1 here. This is going to be a problem. Actually, no, I think it's pretty fine. I think it's okay. I think it's going to be okay. See if you see the problem. Okay, so oxygens here. I have 11 oxygens over here, and I got 2 oxygens there. Everything else is balanced. All we're going to work about is the oxygens. So again, let's refresh. 12 carbons, 12 carbons. 22 hydrogens, 11 times 2, 22 hydrogens. I've got oxygens on the left and oxygens on the right in 4 different places. Sorry. So I have 11 and 2 and 24 and 11. If you can see, according to this, and I have a little divider here, that these oxygens need to balance up. I see 11 and 11 and 24 and 2. If you can see that 11 and that 11 matches up, and I just need that to make that 24 a 2. If you can see that, then you're on your way, because how do I make 24 a 2? Put a 12 there. And 12 times 2 is 24. Which means that I have 35 oxygens on the left, 35 or 25 plus 24 plus 11, 35 oxygens on the right. Get rid of those yellow lines, I mean those red lines. That looks weird. All right, 15 is done. Do 16 on your own. Let's see, let me just double check, make sure everything looks okay before I leave you to fend for yourself. 1 calcium, 1 calcium. Oxygens. Oh, okay. I don't like this one either. You see the oxygens all around? I'll do this one. I'll do it. I feel bad because they're tough, and I don't want you to struggle on your own and be frustrated. I want you to have a nice learning experience. So let me walk you through this one. Okay, calcium and calcium. The problem here is I have an oxygen and an oxygen and an oxygen and an oxygen. And I can say right now, one of the main rules is that oxygens suck. Oxygens are all over the place, and it's hard to balance them out without messing up everything. So anytime you see oxygen, especially when you see I got an oxygen here, an oxygen here, an oxygen here, and an oxygen here, leave them to the end. Luckily here they left to the end. Here, let's skip the oxygens, come back to it. Let's go with the hydrogens. Let's try to balance the hydrogens first. So calciums are good. I got 2 hydrogens here, and I've got. Oh, actually, before we do that, I can see something. Well, not that we're there yet, but SO4. Let's see if that makes it easier for later. That does, because that gets rid of those oxygens. These oxygens are tied up in SO4. Now these oxygens are all by themselves. Okay, that makes that easier. So we'll come back to that anyway. 2 hydrogens there, 2 hydrogens there, and then I only have 2 there. So 2 and 2 and 4 on the left. Let's make the 2 on the right. Let's make that 4. So 4 hydrogens. Now I can look at the hydrogens by themselves. These oxygens by themselves, and just balance them up. I have 2 oxygens here. If you can see that 1 inside, but then I got a 2 on the outside. So 2 oxygens here, and I have 2 oxygens there. And I think we're good. Let's double check, because the SO4s are already taken care of. The hydrogen's taken care of, but let's double check. 1 calcium, 1 calcium. 2 oxygens, 2 oxygens. 2 hydrogens, 2, and 2 hydrogens. 4 hydrogens on the left. 2 times 2, 4 hydrogens on the right. I already did that hydrogen here. 1 SO4, 1 SO4. All balanced. 16 was all balanced. I thought it was going to be harder. It wasn't that hard. I guess 15 was pretty hard, but 16 was not that bad. All right. Hey. We'll say that for later. We'll stop there. Happy Friday. Hope everybody's healthy. 1 through 16 will be due by the end of the period. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. All right. Bye-bye.